In our earlier discussions, we talked about coverage and preparation. Now, let's focus on what truly matters when a disaster is happening. Above all else, safety over property. And let us say this clearly: no vehicle is worth more than a life. During typhoons, heavy rains, or earthquakes, our primary concern is you and your family's safety. Insurance can repair or replace vehicles, but it cannot replace lives. Now, let's start with a common situation during heavy rains. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Even shallow water can stall engines, cause hydrostatic lock, hide open manholes, or sweep vehicles away. If you are unsure, it is always safer to turn around, because forcing a vehicle into floodwater significantly increases the risk of total loss. And speaking of floodwater, here's another critical reminder. If your vehicle has been submerged, never attempt to start it. Do not turn the key. Do not press the ignition. Starting a flood-exposed engine can cause severe internal damage and may complicate technical assessment. Instead, wait for professional assistance. Now, if there is still time before conditions worsen, take preventive action. Move your vehicle to the safest location available. Park on elevated ground. Avoid areas near trees or unstable structures. Stay away from basement parking during flood alerts. A few early decisions can greatly reduce catastrophe exposure. Aside from floods, earthquakes also require calm judgment. If strong shaking occurs, do not rush to your vehicle. Instead, follow the drop, cover, and hold procedure. Evacuate safely if advised. Your vehicle can always be inspected later, but your safety must come first immediately. Now, let's talk about panic. Disasters naturally create stress and urgency. However, panic-driven decisions often make situations worse. Stay indoors when authorities advise. Monitor only official weather updates. Avoid unnecessary travel in severe conditions. Calm and responsible behavior reduces risk severity. Once conditions are stable and safe, that is the right time to think about documentation and communication. If possible, document the situation, but only if it does not endanger you. Then contact your insurer. Keep your hotline numbers and branch contact details ready in advance, so you're not searching for them during an emergency. But again, communication should always come after safety is secured. Over the years, we have seen that many damages become worse because of rushed decisions. That is why our goal is not merely to process claims. It is to help minimize harm. So remember, safety first, property second, claims third. During any catastrophe, protect yourself and your loved ones first. We will be here to assist once it is safe. For more catastrophe readiness guidance every Friday, follow us and message us anytime if you need assistance or clarification.